Hi Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay ngayong February 13, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And of course, please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Let's see ano yung gabay sa inyo ngayon. Fire Signs, February 13, 2024, Aries, Leo, Sag. Number 1, intention. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Yes, so this is focusing on yourself. Pagbibigay ng value sa sarili mo. Your intention towards yourself. Okay, what are your plans, your goals para sa sarili mo to improve your life? So I think you are going to focus more on kung paano mo pa mas ma-upgrade or mapapabuti, mapapaganda yung kalagayan ng buhay mo ngayon. And then you have kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? So talagang fire signs, puro sa inyo to, no? Focusing on yourself. Maari kasing you are focused on other people, tapos nakakalimutan nyo na alagaan rin yung sarili nyo. Let's see what else. Friend. Be as good a friend to yourself as you are to others. Oh my God, nagbabakil ako. So, be as good a friend to yourself as you are to others. So, being good to yourself na naman. Okay? So, baka lately, puro ibang tao ang binibigyan nyo ng attention. So, this time, it's about yourself naman. Sarili nyo naman. Okay, so, let's see what are the, anong overall energy ninyo for this day. For fire signs. 8 of Cups. Okay, someone is walking away. Yung iba rito pagod na. Tingnan nyo, grabe. Pagod na kayo, stress na kayo sa situation na meron kayo. And maybe it's time for you to leave that situation and focus on yourself. Example, sa trabaho, no? Puro doon na nakadedicate yung buhay ninyo. Okay, tapos halos wala na kayong oras sa sarili nyo. And you realize na, teka, nag-e-exist ka pa, diba? So, kailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo habang ikaw nagtatrabaho, kailangan alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. You have the 7 of Cups. Medyo confused ka ngayon on which direction ang iti-take mo. Pwede rin kasing may mga offer sa'yo or opportunities na nag-open. Pero, yung iba, natatakot magsimula, natatakot na may baguhin sa buhay nyo. Kaya siguro lagi kayo nag-iisip, ano nang gagawin ko? Kaya lang parang masyado nang mahirap para sa inyo na dalhin yung mga responsibilities nyo, yung obligasyon nyo, or parang sinalo nyo na kasi lahat, diba? Sinalo nyo na lahat. Pati problema ng iba, responsibilidad ng iba, kinukuha nyo na. So, kaya sabi rito, kailangan nyo munang unahin yung sarili nyo. Focus on yourself. And I think yan yung pinag-iisipan mo na ngayon. So, some of you are leaving the situation na sa tingin mo, nabigay mo na yung best mo, pero wala ka pa rin nakukuha in return. Okay? So, you are exploring other options. So, let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Page of Swords. So, pinag-aaralan mo ngayon yung mga options available sa'yo. You have the Queen of Wands. You are being more creative ngayon. You are stepping into your fire. Your fire energy. You are stepping into your creativity. Yung confidence mo. Oo, ikaw mismo nagpapalakas ng loob mo ngayon. You have the 10 of Swords. So, I think talaga yung iba sa inyo, career, business, or situation nyo sa finances nyo ngayon na mahirap, no, ay matatapos na. Dahil ngayon, yung iba, nagising na kayo sa katotohanan na ang pagbabago ay nanggagaling or nagmumula mismo sa inyo. Ayan, no, meron kayong mga skills. Mag-invest kayo sa inyong skills. Ibig sabihin yan, kung ano yung galing nyo, yung talento nyo, yung abilidad nyo, lalo nyo pang palalakasin, lalo nyo pauunlarin, dadagdagan nyo yung inyong knowledge. Okay? Kumbaga, improving, upgrading your skills. Yan, sabi rito, you might be in denial of a situation in your career or finances. It's time to face your truth and work on building your reality. So, yung iba parang hindi pa nila matanggap na medyo alanganin yung situation nyo sa career nyo, sa business ninyo. And maybe it's time to face that na meron talaga kayong kailangang i-work out, ayusin sa inyong career, sa inyong finances. And you are finally doing that. Okay? Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga fire signs. Ooh, the Lovers. You have the Page of Cups. So, sa love life, maganda ang inyong love life ngayon. Some of you are entering a new relationship, no? Itong person na to, someone is very caring. Maaring you are dealing with a Gemini or a water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius. So, parang yung iba sa inyo, you are facing your dream relationship. Or if you are not in a relationship, anytime soon, you will meet someone na magpapahalaga talaga sa'yo. Someone who will really treat you nice. And you are also healing from your past. Kasi minsan, no, hindi tayo nag-open up sa new relationship because hindi pa tayo nakaka-move on from our past. So, yung iba, you are working on healing from your past relationship para ready ka na to face a new connection. Meron kasi rito sa inyong may offer, love offer, pwedeng may crush or may potential itong relationship na to na maging seryoso. Ayan, self-care. Your independence makes you more romantically attractive. So, maraming nagkaka-crush sa inyo, nag-a-admire sa inyo kasi nakikita nila na you are independent. Di ba? Grabe talaga. So, fire signs. This is about focusing on yourself. Kung masyado kayong people-oriented, na napapabayaan nyo yung sarili nyo, ito na yung sign na kailangan nyo daw na magbigay na ng attention sa sarili nyo. You are lovable and you deserve to be loved. Ayan. So, I think you are preparing yourself for a relationship. So, kung wala kang relationship ngayon, nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, ini-improve mo yung sarili mo para ready ka. But if you are in a relationship, I see you na merong seryosong connection with someone na tinutulungan ka rin to improve your life. Okay? So, that is your reading, fire signs. Thank you so much. Bye!